Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1916, musician and composer Terry Gilkyson was born. He wrote the Academy Award-nominated song, The Bare Necessities, for The Jungle Book, and, he wrote many other classic Disney songs as well. For The Jungle Book, he was ultimately replaced by the Sherman Brothers as the music writer. However, this song remained in the film, and, it's a beloved Disney classic today. Before coming to Disney in the 1960s, Terry was part of the Easy Riders, who were a big influence on pop and folk music. What's your favorite song from Terry Gilkyson? Mine's, obviously the Bare Necessities. Anyway, have a magical day.